Happy New Year! Have more mangoes. That's so yummy.
Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. As you guys can tell, we are wearing a mic for tonight's video. That's because there's going to be a lot of music since today is December 31st, and that means we will be welcoming New Year, which is 2023, in a few hours. And the time right now is already 6 p.m. So yeah, we only have a few hours, guys, and we're gonna say goodbye to 2022 and say hello to 2023. Anyway, as you guys can see, I'm all alone here in the house. That's because my sister and fam went home. It's actually fiesta, or they do have a feast in their barangay today. So yeah, I think Scarlett wants to go to the disco. So they are coming over here at maybe 8 or 9 p.m. But anyway, since this morning, I was just all here alone, and I decided to prep all of the food that we are going to have for tonight. And also, I rode with Mom earlier, and we went to pick up these really delicious cassava cake. I'm gonna show it to you. Look, guys. This is from Gaga. She told me she watches the vlogs. Hello, thank you for this. Look, guys, look how beautiful that is. We're gonna try the cassava, okay? All right, guys, let's try the cassava. Let me put these away. By the way, we have this crispy pata. Look how gorgeous. It's not yet done. We are going to fry it later on. But look at the cassava, guys. Ta-da! All right, we're gonna try. She actually did not slice it, so we're gonna get a slice and we're gonna try it. I actually ordered from her, I believe last time as well, and it was really good. Let's see if it's the same this year, because sometimes it could change, right? Guys, bon appetit. Wow. That's so yummy. It's not too sweet. Wow. Oh, that's so good. When I got this afternoon, it was still very hot. So freshly baked. Do you bake this? Yeah, freshly made cassava cake. Wow. Oh, that's so yummy. Bon appetit. Oh, this is so good. Guys, let's see what's inside my fridge. It's pretty packed in here. As you guys can see, we have soft drinks. We have here the cake. So for New Year, it's always more of dessert, like sweets, so that you will have a sweet 2023. So it's more on cake. So we have cassava cake. And then we have here, I think this is chocolate cake. I'm not sure, but my sister got this one yesterday. And then we have here spaghetti. And we have tikoy as well. So this is tikoy, everyone. It's like, I'm not sure. What is this? It's like a glutinous rice with sugar, and yeah, this is very famous here in the Philippines during New Year, because you have to have this on your table on New Year, okay? And then we have here wine. I'm not yet done actually with my salad, so we are having buko pandan. There you go. We have here buko and pandan, and I am going to add mango, so that it will be more delicious. So come on, let's do this. So I have a visitor tonight, guys. Zaika is here. Hi. Do you want to sit here and help me? Okay, we have here the buko pandan. She's actually waiting for Razzle. Razzle should be arriving in a few. I think she gets off work. Not yet. I think she gets off work at 7 p.m. like last time. So we have here buko. We have a lot of buko from Mom's backyard, and that's what we use. And then we're gonna add 2 mangoes. Then we're gonna pour all-purpose cream and condensed milk. Okay, so first will be this. Look at that. I don't know why, but mangoes just makes everything festive. I think because of its color, which is my favorite color, yellow. Guys, what are your New Year's resolutions? It would be better if we have more mangoes. One more. You wanna eat this? Yeah. You have to eat it outside because it's gonna drip. So on Christmas Eve, guys, we had the fruit salad, and this time I opted to have buko pandan because, yeah, we've been eating fruit salad since it's also Scarlett's birthday the day after. I mean, on Christmas Day, it's Scarlett's birthday. Wow, those days were just really packed. I mean, it's pretty hectic. It's like back to back to back party. You guys saw everything, right? For the last few days, I haven't been vlogging actually. I just wanna take a rest because I had to edit all of those videos, and those were like 1 hour raw clips. Imagine that. And actually, I was suffering for a CTS, carpal tunnel syndrome. I had that before as well, and then yeah, it went back unfortunately. So I was just trying to heal my right hand. It's this one, guys, because this is what I use for editing, well, for everything, you know. So yeah, it was pretty bad. It was so painful, and I just could not work at all. Last time that I had it, I actually had to go to a doctor. I had to undergo a therapy. I don't know how many sessions I got like for the therapy, but yeah, there's that. I think it's a sign for Meljean to get an editor. But I don't know. I couldn't afford an editor yet, so yeah, please watch my video, guys. Alright, our buko pandan is almost done. I'm just gonna have to put cream and condensed milk. Was it yummy? There's one more. Oh, you're eating everything. Alright guys, so now let's get out because mom is cooking the crispy pata. So we're frying it outside because it takes some time for it to get fried. Yeah, we're just gonna use wood fire here outside. It's a bit dark, but it's fine. Alright people, we just finished cooking, so we are gonna start setting up our table. It's already 8 p.m. so we have exactly 4 hours before 2023 is here. So I'm gonna share with you what are the stuff that we have. What do you want? Okay, so first up, here in the middle, we have 13 different kinds of fruits. Okay, this is one of our tradition. So we have here watermelon, pineapple, banana, apple, grapes. We have guava, orange. What else? I don't know what the others are. And then we have here crispy pata. Look, it's actually burnt. Mom burnt this. Guys, look, but it's okay. We have here pork chop as well. I did this one. We have the cassava cake that I've showed you guys earlier. We have here Ferrero. This is so pricey. I don't know why, but chocolates in the Philippines is really pricey. Chocolate coins, there you go. This is really good for good luck and prosperity. Tikoy, there you go. And then sliced bread. What else? We have the cake here as well, guys. Look, color yellow. Ay! Ta-da! I wish we could like write Happy New Year on the cake, but sis did not do that. Yay! It's looking more festive, guys. What else is missing? Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here. One here. I'm still yet to cook the lumpia Shanghai. And what else? We still have spaghetti as well. Ta-da! Look how much spaghetti do we have. And we have drinks. So I got here Coke, and of course, we have wine. Yes, we should not forget the wine. And what else? We have a lot of chocolates as well, so we're gonna include that. Anything sweet has to be put on the table. So we have wafer, chocolates. There you go. Oh, we have the salad as well. So where should I put the salad? Salad, the buko pandan, guys. Guys, Happy New Year! Looks like Meljean is alone. Her dinner for tonight because my sister and fam didn't arrive yet, as well as Papa. Bon appetit, everyone. Let's eat. We have here the burnt crispy pata. By the way, I've transferred all of the food that we prepared on this table because I realized, where are we gonna eat if we put all of the food here? So they're here, and I think this is way better so that whoever wants to eat, they're gonna get something from here and then they're gonna sit down here. Let's eat. Bon appetit. I am already hungry, guys. This is crispy pata. Using a mic for today's video is the best idea because I think everyone is putting their music on, and it is pretty loud. I had to close the entire house, guys, so that you guys could not hear it so much. And yeah, the microphone really helps a lot as well. So imagine most, or I think all of the houses around me actually has their own sound system. Yes, that's right. Especially during New Year, they would always blast it. That's just how it is, especially when the clock ticks 12. That's how you welcome the New Year, with a lot of noise. Alright guys, look, my first visitor for tonight is wearing my gift. Also this one? Really? Yeah, that looks good. Oh, it's Mickey Mouse. Guys, we're eating already. Buko pandan. Cheers. Where's yours? So good. Yeah, I really like it. It's really good, isn't it? It's not too sweet, just enough. Yeah. We're still waiting for the gang. Cheers. That's your third cup already. Let's eat, guys. Alright guys, we have 2 minutes before New Year. Scarlett is sleeping. Pangga! Pangga! Scarlett! Scarlett, Happy New Year! Oh no! Nagkita na! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! Woo! Wala pa nang ang duhanang. Oh, there's another one. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! Honey, good morning. Say good morning.
Are you baby?
Yes.
Stop it, you.
Say good morning with Panda.
Good morning, baby.
Panda is there. Hi, Panda. This is Mommy's new doggy. This is Nana's new doggy, right?
Yes.
Why did you not wake up? Last night, it was New Year. There was fireworks outside.
I know this shit.
Because you're sleeping?
Yes, yes, and yes, yes. It's how the disco. I'm this.
Because you went to the disco, that's why?
Yes, I'm sleeping. I'm so scared in the room.
Oh, there's drunk people in the disco? Oh, you did not enjoy it. No? You don't like the hubog?
There.
Hi, you like panda?
Yes, I
Oh.
love dogs.
You love dogs?
Yes.
Oh, look, panda is hugging you. Panda is so sweet, huh? Hi, panda. Can you say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.